preventing blower motor overrun starts with a few disciplined preventive maintenance steps you can do on a schedule. Change filters every 30 days in homes with pets or allergies, and at minimum every 90 days in typical households to reduce airflow restriction that forces the motor to work harder and stay on longer. Inspect supply and return ducts annually for crushed sections, disconnected joints, and heavy dust buildup. Seal obvious gaps with foil tape and remove debris to restore normal static pressure so the motor cycles properly. Recalibrate the fan limit switch every 2 to 3 years, or whenever you replace the thermostat by first cutting power, removing the furnace access panel, gently adjusting the switch to the manufacturer recommended range, and verifying that the blower turns off at the correct temperature on the heat cycle and on during the cooling cycle as required. Check all control wiring and terminal connections for corrosion, loose screws, or frayed insulation at least once a year. A secure 5-second wiggle test on each connection while power is off helps reveal hidden problems. Lubricate bearings where the motor has accessible oil ports using light machine oil only, doing a few drops clockwise to prevent excess drag. Many modern motors are permanently sealed, so skip this step if there are no ports. Keep the evaporator, coil, and furnace heat exchanger clean. A restricted coil increases temperature differential and can keep the fan running longer as the system struggles to reach set points. 3 common causes are restricted airflow, miscalibrated controls, and electrical faults, and each has a simple fix. If the blower runs too long because of restricted airflow, replace or upgrade filters to a lower pressure drop model and clear vents and returns to restore airflow. When the fan limit or thermostat settings are incorrect and lead to overrun, recalibrate the fan control or replace the thermostat using the manufacturer wiring diagram and test by observing cycle behavior after changes. For wiring shorts, bad relays, or motor start capacitor failure that keep the blower engaged, turn off power, visually inspect and tighten connectors, and if the capacitor is bulged or the relay sticks, replace the component with an exact specification match. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find steady work related to preventive heating, ventilation, and air conditioning care. We also host a discussion community where we share maintenance tips, ask questions, and learn from others who have fixed blower motor overrun issues.